Hi, I'm Chrissy Vu. I'm a project lead. Most of my projects focus on social behavioral sciences and technology and policy. During 9/11, I was in my biochemistry class, and that's when I found out about 9/11. The thing about working on a topic related to 9/11 at MITRE was that it had direct world impact on what was going on in the news. I was privileged enough to be the project lead of the Advanced Chemical Vapor Detection Systems program. One of the things that we were asked to do was provide subject matter expertise in terms of where would we place chemical detectors in the new World Trade Center transit hub. And so what was great about it was we brought together expertise in all different areas of MITRE. We brought together fluid dynamics experts, physicists, chemists, biochemists, sensor detector specialists. And so with that whole amazing team, we were able to provide those recommendations to the Port Authority. When we were there, we actually took a field trip over to the World Trade Center site when they were rebuilding the new buildings, to be in there in the pit, to see the people working diligently and working hard on rebuilding something that was a part of the American skyline, for lack of better words. It gave me a great sense of pride.